give you a special mission. Hang on, let me wear my special mission gear. R.
Today's mission. Solve each AR word clue to complete your mission. Remember, AR says R.
It's not called Mission Impossible. In fact, it is possible that you will be able to solve this word mystery. We will call it Phonics Mission Possible. In this mission, children, you will help me solve these mystery words that have the R sound in them. Are you ready? Let's go.
Clue number 1. This word is another name for an automobile. Clue number 2. This word is the name of an animal that lives in the ocean. Clue number 3. This word is the name of something you can see in the night sky. Clue number 4. This word is the name of a body part. Clue number 5. This word is the name of a container where food is stored.
Now, children, you can pause this video and write down your answers. Take a picture of it and post it on Seesaw.
Correct. The answer is car. Correct. The answer is shark. Correct. The answer is arms. Correct. The answer is star. Correct. The answer is jaw. Congratulations. You have completed the mission.
Goodbye, special agents.